Next thing I did, go ahead and get your drive belt off. Can't really film that, but I'll put a picture in here if I can. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our harmonic balancer off. Check it out. If we try and pry on this, it's not coming, okay? But if we just come in here and talk to it nice and just pull evenly on both sides, watch out that you don't lose this little guy right there. Don't lose that little square bit right there. Just pull evenly on both sides. Well, I did just lose my little thing. Oh, there it is though. So yeah, just pull evenly. Comes right off. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull our little wheel seal out. Oh yeah, it's ripped right there, it looks like. Yep, that's why it's leaking. How about that? And there you go. Probably would have been a little easier if I would have had, you know, the special tool for removing those seals, but I think we did all right. I got a little oil off the dipstick, and that's gonna help drive the seal in. I'm gonna start by just trying to press the seal in with my fingers. And it looks like I'm gonna be able to get it. So this is a 1 11/16 socket, and I don't think this is going to be too difficult. Oh. Well, my problem is that this side's just a little out, just a little far. Okay, so let's... pretty close, and I really want to make sure it's not going to leak. That's the most important thing. You know, Honda has like a little diagram for the exact way that this is supposed to be, but the deal is that it's just got to stop the oil from coming out. That's pretty good. Okay, I feel pretty happy with that. Let's go ahead and slip our pulley back on. Go ahead and reinstall your crankshaft pulley bolt. And you can torque it to 130 pounds, otherwise known as about 2.5 Uggas. Gotta make sure you're on 3. That's probably about 140 pounds of torque right there. No big deal.